Hi guys, today I will introduce about an website. This is E2 test preparation. So it is one of the most economical website for learning English language. Mainly TOEFL, IELTS, any international English language. This is one of the most economical way to learn with high quality faculty. And one of the main thing is there are former IELTS examiners as tutors over here. So the course is mainly, firstly I will tell you, there is no benefit from this for me. I am just introducing my experience. I am just sharing my experience with you while going through the website. So the basic plan is 159 USD, that is called bronze. I am in regards to the IELTS exam. 159 USD is the basic plan. So this is how the basic plans look like. When we are going to the home, you can get different. See here 20% off. So if you use the code best code 20, it varies in different times. I got 35% off when I purchased this service. So my this has been since 6 months. So one day remaining for the package expiry. So I thought I'll just share the details with you guys. So firstly, here on the left side you can see course material, live classes. Live classes will be only available to the silver and gold service. So the payment criteria is like this: 159 USD for basic plan, which is bronze, and 239 for mid service, 239 USD, and the gold 339 USD for the gold service. So it will have live classes, personal training, etc. And you know how much course is here for, especially in UAE, for IELTS training. And this is of international quality faculties. You can, one of the main benefit is it is very user friendly, and you get the time, you have your own time for learning. No need to wait for a faculty, and there are live classes, and if you miss the live classes, there are recorded classes also. So you can attend, you can watch recorded classes if you are not able to attend the live classes. So I will browse you through the software right now. Here you can see this is IELTS general preparation. Reading, listening, writing task 1, writing task 2, speaking, practice test. There are 4 practice tests available, and general academic vocabulary and general and academic grammar. You get the whole vocabulary and grammar for both general and academic IELTS exam. So reading, there are 11 different sectors. It's an overview of how we will take the exam, tips, strategies, and multiple choice. If you select, you can see there are introduction, and there are this is the practice exam. You get the knowledge through the practice itself. So multiple choice, there are so many. It's very useful, and it's very economic. Every topic will be covered. See the listening, you get to, there are 6 parts. There is a small introduction over here, and you get notice different aspects of types of questions: note, table, flowchart. Writing task 1 for general is letters, formal letter, semi-formal letter, and informal letter. And writing task 2 is essay. Actually, there are no different types of essay. These are all a type of essay in which different topics come. Opinion essay, you need to give an opinion. Advantages and disadvantages, you need to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages. If you complete the thing, if you go on studying, it will show you how much what is your status. So the green which I have completed, and the blue thing I have not completed. So if I click the activity and I have gone through that, see, there is a essay question. So next, so I can, this is how we prepare for IELTS. If you type the and submit, okay. And the other speaking practice test, there are 4 practice tests. You can see practice 1 reading, listening, task 1, task 2 and speaking. You can complete all the 4 practice tests. It would be enough. Vocabulary, IELTS topic toolkits, general and academic grammars. And apart from the course material, you can see live classes. These are all the live classes. You need to register for attending a live classes, and you can attend the live classes. For basic plan, there are 4 live classes. You can attend 4 live classes, and you can watch unlimited recorded classes. So there are different recorded classes for a pronunciation workshop, which is new. Reading, IELTS reading part 2, part 1. These are very useful, these classes. And assessment, you get the assessment service for bronze and gold. You can see once you are selecting for the type of service. Mock test, which are not included in the basic plan, you can see buy now. Expert assessment and report for $79. And appointment list by tutorials. Group classes are there, skill building. And one of the main highlight is students online. You can see an online portal over here with the participation of students. This is mainly for speaking, and there is a group which is very active, so you can participate and you can talk the daily topics over there. So it might be very useful. The main useful thing is it is very economic. The E2 language platform is very economic, and if you have not have the money in a single slot, there is a payment option for dividing it into 3 payments. So you can check with the website. There are every details are available in the website. So I will give the link of the website. You can enter into the website and see how the things work. And there is a free trial also. So you get to know that get the access of free trial and yourself check the website. And if you are okay and if you are really comfortable with the website, I ensure that it's very great platform, because I have browsed through several platforms and I think this is one of the best. There might be even better thing, but for me, I have found this is very economical and with the professional trainers especially. And you can watch the YouTube videos of E2 languages also. There are several, they have a channel and there are a lot of videos, so you can watch that how things go, and you can get the access of free trial and have a try, and if it work for you, you get a discount also for 20%. I think there is a 20% discount right now. Anyhow, all the best for your exams, prepare well. So I am giving you the link of the platform, have a look and let me know through the comment section. Have a great day, guys.